Okay, good morning, buddies. We're going to do a cold start today on my 66 GT. I just pulled it out of the garage and now we'll do a cold start. Well, get the keys. He's wanting to go for a ride later. We'll go for a ride later, Weber. Just in case you didn't know, Epstein didn't kill himself. We'll let it warm up a little bit here. That's a little dusty. It's been sitting. Now we're going to Cars and Coffee this morning. Hasn't been out in a while. I got my headers out. I'm going to put a new set of headers on this bad boy, and I'm going to do new exhaust. Yeah, I want it to be a little bit louder. I've talked to some exhaust shops here in town and they don't seem to want to do it, so I've got one that's going to do it, I think, downtown. Yeah, we're going to put the new headers on, which are the tri-wide. Here, I'll show you what we got. It's warming up now. But right now we got we got the shorty headers on there now. And I'm going to put the tri-wide long tube headers. I think it'll have a lot better sound, a lot better tone. It'll be a lot louder. Yeah, that's an update on what we're going to do. Like I said, we're going to change the headers, some of the exhaust, and make it a little bit louder. And so this is like a before video. In a couple months you'll see it all done with the new exhaust. It should be a lot louder. It should sound a lot meaner. But anyway, hope you guys have a great day, and we'll see you soon. Thanks for watching. I just wanted to add a little bit more to the video. Now that the car's warmed up. Yeah. Running good. A little moist this morning. It's a little chilly. Anyway, running good, and we're going down the neighborhood. We're going down to Cars and Coffee. And as always, let's go, Brandon. Piss on liberals. And fuck Biden. Have a good morning, everybody.